Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth here. How are we doing? We're doing a video today by the fire. This is a massage table that I've just recently bought. I bought it actually off Spock, and I got it for 20 quid. So it's got one clip missing, but I can live with that. So I'm gonna have a go at opening this up. Okay. So the handle on it's quite a heavy table, but you can see it's nice and sturdy. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to unfold it and put it together, so it won't be a tick. So as you can see, as you just unfold it up, and there's the legs, and there's the cables. All right, and there's height adjustable as well. So. And these are adjustable, so I'm going to get on and complete the next stage. So you can see I'm going to actually put the light on in here because the light's a bit shocking. So anyway, I'm just basically the table itself, it's very strong, it's quite long. You're going to get someone over 6 feet, well 6 foot on here. This is a head cradle. But you can see now where this is fully adjustable, that just locks in position, as you can see. So we can get that back, or you can click it up, or you can do it one-handed, and then it just falls flat, nice and solid. Underneath, it's held in by cables which add extra support, and not to be too crude, but it's all wipeable. Generally what you do is you put your towel on here. That's where people put the face. So, the good thing about it is, you say you could have something like that, a little chair, and you can work around the feet, which is here, etc, etc. So I thought, yeah, nicely padded, nice little thing. And the great thing is it folds up for the next one. That's a quick look at that, guys. I paid £20. What did you think? It's a good buy? I think it is. I like the way that it's easy. It's at the right height, so you kind of you can work your way around. Problem with when you do it on a bed is that you can't get around the bed, and obviously the bed's at the wrong position. Where on these they've got height adjustable legs. And these are really strong. You can just adjust them. I haven't had a go yet, but apparently you can pop them up and down. Same with the front. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.